Hello, my name is Paul Dunn with Nail World on behalf of Expert Village. Now I will show you how to take off the acrylic nails at age or lift. When the acrylic nails start to lift on side to side, it's a good time to just take them off, let them breathe, or you can put on a new one. Don't leave it like this because there's a chance of moisture collecting and then all that bacteria might cause a fungus. To take off the nail, you use one of the tips, the plastic tips. You bend the tips, make sure it's kind of flat. You go underneath the nail where the part is lifting, and you just glide gently over the nails. Make sure you press down on the acrylic nails. As you apply pressure, you glide the tip nails, plastic tip nails across underneath the nails, and it will come off. When it comes off, that's it. And usually the client will have very minimum pain because you place pressure on it as you take it off. And afterwards, you just want to make sure the client's okay, and later on, if you can buff the nails for them and just put a top coat, they'll be fine and they'll be happy.